Hey guys, wanna make your videos sound super professional? Let me show you how to easily add a voiceover to your video in Canva. No fancy software needed, just follow these quick steps and you will be adding your voice to your projects in minutes. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to add a voiceover to video using Canva. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the home page as you can see. So first let's know what is Canva. Canva is a free, easy to use online tool that lets you create beautiful designs like social media posts, presentations, videos, and more. You don't need any design skills, just drag and drop elements to make your projects look professional. So let's get started right now. So firstly, all you have to do is just come back to the top and you have just to click over sign up, and or you can just click over apply now and you link your information such as email address and your password. When you get started and you find the home page, I don't have here to sign up and log in to find my account because I already have an account. I will just click over home and then you'll find the page of the template. So let's get started right now. So all I have to do right now is just search for the video specific that you want. For example, I want to add a birthday video with my voiceover. I will just scroll down here and I will select one of these templates. I will click over see all here, and we have here various templates. You can just select the one you want. So we have here 20,000 templates as you can see. I've just choose the one you want. But the issue here, we have the pro one and the free one. I will just select the free one and I will click over all filters and I will select first filter that I want. If visit here the category of business, here we have such as property, invoices, resumes. Then you have social media such as Instagram posts, Instagram reels, Facebook posts, Facebook ads, TikTok videos. Then we have education as well, such as subject, grade, so research type. Then we have video here, such as video message if you want, or you can here add videos here as you can see. Then you have here marketing, products as well. And the last one, we have cards and invitations. Then we have here format, as you can see, style, language, theme, feature, grade, and also we have subject, topic, and above the price I will select the free one. Then I will select the color white because I like the white one. So I will just click over apply. Then you will find a page which is this one. We have here 10,000 templates. You can just select the one you want. All right. So right now I will just select one of this, for example this one or this one, or we have here other option. If you don't like this one and you want to create your own template, you have just to click over create a design and you have to select here the option of videos firstly, and then you have just to watch if you want this kind of videos, or you can just create your own by clicking over the first one and then you will find a page which is this one as you can see. So this is the page of designing the template. I will show you the step by step or guide you to step by step how to add a voiceover and also how you can design your template, or you can choose your own template. Firstly, you have to do is just go to the upload, then you have to click over upload files. After, go to the browser and search for the template that you want. After your researching, you have to upload it from your computer and you click over upload files. Then you have to upload it. As you can see, you click over download here and you select the file and the name that you already name it, and you click over open and then you get started as you can see, and you'll find your template here or the video that you chose. All right, so right now all I have to do, I will just here add, for example, my background. I will just click over here and I will add my background like that. I put it in the middle, then I will just add it like that. Right, so right now I will just go to the text and I will add here a hidden. Then I will select the color that I want, for example. Also the size I will put here 80. Then I will just here add happy birthday, and right now I'll put it in the middle firstly. Then I will just here add other things such as, for example, videos firstly because we did a video. And right now I will just click over search and I will search for birthday party. I will select here the option of videos, then I will search for something like that. So I will select, for example, this one. I will just customize the size, then I'll put it here as you can see. And about the happy birthday, I will make it more size. and I'll put it here above of this video. All right, so right now I will just add the graphics for the birthday. I will just scroll down right now and I will click over here and I'll put it here, this one in the top, and here we have it right now. I will add also this one. I will customize the size and I'll put it here as you can see, and then I will add other things such as, for example, right, so here we have other things. Let's just select in this one, for example, let's just search in for this one. It's just kind of right, so here we have this gifts, and right now I will just here customize the size as well. Then also I will just scroll down to add other things, for example this cake. As you can see, I'll put it in the top in the right, and let's add in other thing. For example, I will add this one, and right now I will just add a voiceover. So this is a time. I will just click over upload, then I will just select audio, then I will click over record yourself, then you start recording yourself as you can see. So I will just click over record, then I will get started. 3 2 1. And happy birthday to my friends. You're not just my friend, you are more than that, and you are my brother. I wish you all good in your life, and happy birthday again. And that's it. So we'll just click over save and exit, and here we
And
have
happy
our
birthday to
audio,
my friends. Happy birthday
and here we
again.
have how it
And
looks
that's it.
right now. I will just here delete this one, and I will just customize the size to put it in disappear. Alright, so here we have it right now. I will just put it here. So let's just wait in for it. I will put it here as you can see. Then I will just start it by clicking over here and I will set
And
how it
happy
looks.
birthday to
And
my
here we have it,
friends.
happy
You're not
birthday
just
to
my
my
friend, you are
friends.
more than
So
that, and you
this
are
is
my
how it
brother.
looks.
I wish you all good in your life and happy birthday.
Right, also we have here other options that could help you, which is applications. I will just here click over application. Then I will scroll down, then I will select here music. I will delete firstly this one.
And happy
I will delete it.
birthday to my friends. You're not just my
So this
friend.
is my voice. I will add another voiceover. So I will just select here, for example, for the music, if you want a happy birthday as well also. So here we have happy birthday. I will select, for example, one of these voiceovers. I will select this one. And here we have a voiceover, how it looks. We have a happy birthday to you, my friends. And you have this to get started as soon as possible. It's very easy to add a voiceover by just following the steps. You will be able to add a voiceover. I will just click over share right now and I will just click over seal, then you click over present, and let's just see how it looks. I'll just click over present and here we have it how it looks right now. So you can just right now download the template, or you can just share it with your friends, or you can just click over public here to make it public with your link. And that's it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. So this is it for this video guys, and you have just right now to get it started as soon as possible to create or add a voiceover to your video. So don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.